In this video, we're going to discuss about the center mass of a rod. We all know what does a rod looks like, right? And in identifying the mass of a rod, we have the formula m is equals to the integral from a to b px dx. By following this formula, we can identify the mass of a rod, but still depends on the problem given. We have here the linear density at any point of a rod 5 meter long varies directly at a distance from the point to an external point in the line of the rod and 2 meter from an end, where the linear density is kilogram per meter. Now, find K, or the linear density, if the total mass of the rod is 135 kg. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have the given measurement of a rod is 5 meter. External point from one end is 2 meter. The total mass of a rod is 135 kg. Since the mass is already given, we only need to find its linear density, or the K, by using the formula of getting its mass. So first, we need to find the P of x. So P of x is equals to C multiplied by x minus negative 2. Negative 2, since the external point is outside the measurement of a rod. Measurement of a rod is 5 meters, so it is from 0 to 5. Now, we have P of x is equals to C multiplied by x plus 2. Now, let's proceed to the formula. Now, m is equal to the integral from 0 to 5. This is the measurement, again, of the rod based on the problem. And then multiplied by c multiplied by x plus 2 dx. And we already have the value of m, which is 135 kilogram. So 135 is equals to c as constant and multiplied by the integral from 0 to 5 multiplied to x plus 2 dx. Next, we have c multiplied to the integral from 0 to 5 of x dx plus 2 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 5 dx. In integrating that has an exponent, the rule is to add 1 from the exponent, and it also becomes our denominator. So C is multiplied to x squared over 2 plus 2x, evaluated from 0 to 5. And now we have 135 is equals to 5 squared over 2. 135 is equals to C multiplied by 5 squared over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 5 minus 0 squared over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 0. And 135 is equals to C. 5 squared is 25 over 2 plus 2 times 5 is 10 minus 0, because 0 squared over 2 is 0 plus 0 is 0. And 25 over 2 plus 10 is 45 over 2. So 135 is equals to C multiplied by 45 over 2. Now in identifying the linear density, all we need to do is to cross multiply this. So looks like this: 135 C or 5 over 2. So we can just imagine that there is 1 here. So 135 cross multiply 135 times 2 is 270 over 1 times 45 is 45, and see. So as you can see, 270 over 45 is 6. So our linear density is 6 kilogram per meter squared. Again, this is the linear density, not the mass, because mass is already given in the worded problem. And in the problem, again, it is being asked to find the K, or the linear density, if the total mass of the rod is 135 kilogram with a measurement of 5 meter long